Good morning, guys, and welcome back. It's almost 10 a.m. in the morning. I stayed in this rather huge hotel here. A lot of people, but still nice and quiet. Somehow they managed to do that. So let's go fill up on supplies because I'm low on water. My bladder is almost empty. And I also don't have any additional bottle anymore, so I had to wait out the rain, becoming like a little bit of a coming theme here, unfortunately, but hey, cannot change it. And also it seems as this would stay like that for the next couple of days at least. A lot of rain. Got me a bottle of water, some crackers and 3 croissants. That will be my lunch, at least the 3 croissants, because groceries are so expensive. So next stop is the city of Bergen, and then we will see where we head up from there, because I want to head north as far as I can get today. Let's see how the weather holds up. At the moment it's quite okay. And then we head further east to the famous Holstigen, and I do not understand what that thing wants from me. What is the point? Huh? What is this shit? I just checked on the internet, so looks like this is an annoying problem when water gets in to the buttons, and then it starts going nuts. So therefore this whole unit has to be changed. Wonderful, especially now. So I don't know what to do. Also, when you walk around the bike and the control light is on, the turning lights are still off, so at least that doesn't irritate people. I will try something later, but I don't know if this will fix the issue or not. Didn't wait too long to stay dry here, so I have to put the GoPro away. Quite sure if it do not stop here. Just nasty again today, nasty, guys. Let me find a spot where I can stop quite quick, put the GoPro away. Also, this turning signal is not turning off at all anymore. Okay, GoPro decided to switch on by itself. Yes. So guys, as you can see, I'm hiding here a little bit under a tree. I guess it's time for the old trick with the gloves. So we just put some rubber gloves beneath our riding gloves, and then we have dry hands. Everything else will be soaked. Well, let's wait a little bit and then I keep going. Already check for accommodation, I don't know, but this is just not looking good at all. Alright guys, looks like it stops for a little bit at least, so I will try and make some kilometers and see where we end up. Maybe I don't go too far, but hey, I need to try, right? Alrighty, I'm back, even though it might be only for a short period. I was waiting for the ferry here. It's finally coming. Let's hop on this one. The weather is quite shitty today, but hey, and it also might stay like this for the next couple of days, I don't know. But let's enjoy when it's dry, like at the moment. Wanted to get my drone out, but I was too slow. Ferry was already on the way, so I parked my bike a little bit unconventional because it's kind of angled here and I can't put the bike down here. Alright, looks like we are arriving here. Go down here, check, because it looks like there should be something down there. Is it just water? Hopefully not. There's a pier, there's a little bit of a cabin. Let's stop just here. Fair enough, fine with me, right? Alright, so we'll have a little break here, get my drone out, hopefully get some beautiful shots. Alright, let's keep going. Still have little bit more to go today. At least I want to go, but we will see how far I actually make it, because there's still 37 kilometers to the ferry, and then we will see how far we can get. Looks like I got my drone back just in time. It's starting to rain again. Boy, oh boy. Alright guys, I hope you can hear me. Time to get off this thing. Hope you guys can hear me. Try to wait for the rain to stop here a little bit on this bus stop, but hey, I think it will not happen. Because when I look around, it's like just a complete mess. I still have a little bit over an hour to go, an hour and 15 minutes, and then I will be at my hotel for the night. We made it, guys, we made it. Can you even hear me? I guess not.